On today's menu, a delicious recipe that will really pan out. An amazing lentil rice. Lei Hong Ma, I'm Yeung from YeungMainCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. This one-pot rice recipe is incredibly delicious, and of course, it's really simple to put together. Let's begin. Place 1 cup of brown lentils into a large bowl. Fill the bowl with about 3 cups of water. Soak the lentils for about 8 hours or overnight. The lentils will get much larger after you soak them. Strain out the lentils and set aside. One cup basmati rice. Rinse and drain the rice 2 to 3 times to get rid of the excess starch. Three pieces of garlic, finely chopped. Small piece of ginger, finely chopped. One red onion, diced. One tomato, diced. Sauté pan, medium heat, 2 tablespoons olive oil, red onions, sauté for 4 to 5 minutes. Garlic and ginger, sauté for 1 to 2 minutes. Lentils, sauté for about a minute. Rice, generous pinch of salt, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon chili powder, 1.5 teaspoons sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon coriander, fresh cracked pepper. Give the pan a good stir to combine all the ingredients. tomatoes. Saute for about a minute. One and a half cups veggie stock. Turn the heat to medium-high and stir to deglaze the pan. When the water begins to bubble, turn the heat to medium-low. Cover and cook for 15 minutes. Right, so while we wait for that to cook, I get a lot of questions about the different sauces and oils and knives and pots and pans that I use on the show, and I always do try to make some time to showcase some of those things and answer those questions. One of the questions I always get is where I get my plateware and the bowls and plates that I use. And so far there's only really 3 places that I get most of these plates and bowls, one of which is Crate and Barrel, which is available in Canada and in the United States. The other one is actually called CB2, and it's actually a sister company of Crate and Barrel. However, I'm not a fanboy of those brands exclusively, and I'm definitely not sponsored by them. I kind of just buy whatever I see that I really like. One of the things I look for is a really nice kind of soft but rustic looking glaze. And I find a lot of the plateware that is made in Portugal are just absolutely beautiful. They have this incredible heft to them. They have beautiful colors, and that glaze is just this kind of soft sheen and really gives it this minimalistic yet luxurious look and feel. I'm always on the lookout for great plateware I can use on the show, because for me, maybe because I have a background in photography, but visual aesthetics is a big part of the journey of creating food and enjoying food. Turn the heat off and let the rice steam further for 10 minutes. Plate generously. Squeeze over some fresh lemon juice. Sprinkle over some freshly chopped parsley. Optional drizzle of olive oil. And freshly cracked pepper to taste. You can now enjoy this delightful rice recipe with absolute confidence. This smells and looks just so comforting. Man, promise me, do me a solid and try this recipe. It is so delicious. Right at that initial bite, you're kind of welcomed with this incredibly lush, earthy flavor. You get the comforting, kind of fluffy texture from the rice, the substantial chewiness from the delicious lentils, but you get that incredibly bright, acidic juiciness from the lemon juice that really lifts up this dish. The parsley adds this beautiful green color as well as this delicious freshness. The tomatoes add this juicy freshness as well. And all of that liquid from the tomato and the veggie stock gets absorbed into that rice. And you get all those amazing flavors with every single bite. And of course, the rice also gets flavored with those delicious, amazing spices. You get that little bit of heat from the chili powder, the delicious pepperiness from the fresh cracked pepper, and the sweet paprika, which also adds this beautiful, this reddish, orangey, golden kind of glow to the rice. Because everything was mostly sauteed, you get this delicious kind of caramelized flavor. And I absolutely love using basmati rice because it is just so fluffy and dainty. I absolutely love the process of sauteing and caramelizing and then deglazing all the good bits on that pan. It really is like full circle, and the process is part of the journey. It just looks and tastes so homey and comforting. And the best thing is you are able to make this entire dish in one pan, locking in all of that delicious flavor. I think it's delicious, rustic, and casual dishes like this that is the cure to rough days. And if you love easy and delicious recipes like me, then definitely check out the ramen cookbook, the Cook with Confidence cookbook, our Young Man cooking merch, as well as our plant-based sushi masterclass. To take a sneak peek inside the books, check out the merch, or to watch the entire first class of that plant-based sushi masterclass, I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check them out. As always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'll see you in the next episode.